Welcome to our next investment project in Seattle. In this project, we're actually going to split it into two items. The main one is going to be first to take care of this house. It's an old house, terribly designed, and we are going to make it into a bigger, more modern, open space concept house. And then we are also going to build two more units in the back. So follow me and I'll show you this house. As you can see in a lot of these houses, carpets, that's just nasty. Having carpets at the entry door, especially in Seattle when it rains all the time, we don't have a mudroom, they get very dirty, and I wouldn't be surprised if this carpet used to be white. Also, you can see that everything in older homes was compartmentalized. It was divided to smaller rooms. So this is the living room, maybe dining room, with this fireplace stuck in the middle of the property. And then if we go here, we get into this blue kitchen, I guess. So here you can see this have a linoleum floor, which is, I haven't seen this in many years. And it's just a small, not so functional kitchen. So first thing we're going to do, we're gonna blow this wall out and cancel this fireplace, and then we're gonna add 800 square feet to this side of the house, which will bring it to almost 2,000 square feet. Why? Because this house right now is worth around $650,000. By adding the extra square footage, we're going to raise the value of the house by approximately $350,000. Now, if you go here, you're going to be able to see, again, this is a 3-bedroom. Here we have a very dated bathroom, and you can see all this will be gutted, and we're going to do a full bathroom remodel. This we don't really need to change the size, but yes, make it more modern. And in the addition, we're going to add a master suite. And a lot of these smaller homes are good for a buyer. Why? Because it's a great initial investment, but it's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom. We're going to make this, once we're done, into a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms. And that's going to sell a lot easily. So here we're going to update windows, floors, we're going to change the roof. And then we have 2 more rooms here, and we can see weird closets in different locations where we can put washer and dryer. So the next time we are actually going to see this property is while we are in the middle of construction, and the time after that when we are done and ready to sell. So this is the back of the house. This is actually where we're going to do the extension by approximately 15 feet. So we're going to add all this to the existing house to raise the value. But now when we're here, we can also take a look at the next part of this project when we have this big flat piece of land with no trees but one that we can remove, which means we are going to be able to build 2 units of 2-story each. And this is going to be a great investment. If you've been following us, you understand now that in Washington, a lot of the codes change, allowing you to make a condominium agreement between the main house and the 2 back units, and we can sell each unit separately to a new homeowner.